Hi, Brad from Brad's AC Performance at Snowmobileshocks.com. This video is on the Missing Link, our newest product, which can be purchased at Snowmobileshocks.com. This is the Missing Link. This device goes between the rails. This spring engages the torque arm at the last inch of travel and provides a great buffer between you and that little rubber bumper that's on the rail. So in this video, we're going to be doing a Renegade 850, and I'm going to show you both methods. You can either take the snowmobile apart, remove the suspension. If you have a higher skill level of mechanics, you'll probably be able to install this without removing it from the chassis. So the purpose of the Missing Link is to help provide a resistance, a bottoming resistance from that one sucker punch we get in the 200-mile ride. And the problem is that most guys wind their springs up and valve their shocks for that one hit. Now you don't have to do that. Now you can valve and spring to provide better comfort and the control that you want from your machine without fear of that big crash through bump. Keep in mind, we have alternate springs at different poundages so that you can tune this. If you need something different, please contact me. So the second part to the Missing Link is the engagement pad. And this will work on any skidoo that has a torque arm that has the square welded pieces together like this one here. And this is out of a 2018 Renegade. What I did was I ground some area here, flattened the welds, more grinding over here, took a little bit off the top of these bridges, not a lot. And then this piece, now listen, you can hear it. Hear that? It falls into place. And when that's there, just like that, all you have to do is weld it on both sides. And this provides the landing pad for the spring in the Missing Link. And this can be done in the chassis if you have a higher skill level or have someone helping you that is mechanically inclined. Otherwise, you'll need to remove it like I have so that you can weld it and put it in place. I recommend painting afterwards. Now on the snowmobile, I already have it disassembled. So what I've done is I've taken the rear wheel off and then I've loosened up that Allen screw right here in this support. I have a Halo Easy Ride, but you'll have a single bolt that goes through here. You'll need to take the nut off of that, and then you'll be able to spread the frame. So for this part of the installation, you need to remove the R-Motion sticker, and it'll reveal a bolt hole that's a little bit off of center from the rest of the stuff that's drilled from the factory. It's a little high, which is okay. And I'm going to provide you with this bracket. It's a drilling template. And you're going to take a 3/8 bolt, and you're going to stick it through the hole in the front here. Goes here, there's a pilot hole, and then this is for another installation. So this goes in here like this. And then once it's installed, you clamp it with a C-clamp in the back to hold it in place. You drill this with an 1/8 inch pilot hole drill. And once you've done that, then you remove this. And in that pilot hole, you drill another 3/8 hole. And you repeat the process on the other side. And then once you've done that, all you have to do is slide the Missing Link in, pull these frame rails apart a little bit. You can do that with the help of a screwdriver. And then you can use the bolts that I provide in the kit to tighten this up. So once you've got the holes drilled on both sides, you take the Missing Link, and it's got these notches, and they're designed to go around the rubbers on the rail. So you want to take and put it just a little bit back behind where you're going. Give it a little bit of a pry. It drops into the frame rail, then you slide it up into position, line your bolts up with Loctite on them, and tighten this up. And with your piece welded to the top, you're all done, you're ready to go. You have a suspension that will provide you the best ride you've ever had. I hope that helps you better understand the Missing Link. I'm Brad from Snowmobileshocks.com and Brad's AC Performance.